could you be so cold as the winter wind when it breeze, yo? Just remember that you talking to me, though. You need to watch the way you talking to me, yo. I mean, after all the things that we've been through, I mean, after all the things we got into. Hey, yo, I know some things that you ain't told me. Hey, yo, I did some things, but that's the old me. And now you wanna get me back and you gon' show me. So you walk around like you don't know me. You got a new friend, well I got homies, but in the end it's still so lonely. In the night I hear him talk, cold story I never told. Somewhere far along this road he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless? How could you be so Dr. Evil? You're bringing out a side of me that I don't know. I decided we wasn't gonna speak, so why we up 3 a.m. on the phone? Why do she be so mad at me for? Homie, I don't know, she's hot and cold. I won't stop, won't mess my groove up, cause I already know how this thing goes. You wanna tell your friends that you're leaving me. They say that they don't see what you see in me. You wait a couple months, then you gon' see. You'll never find nobody better than me. Night I hear him talk, cold story I never told. Somewhere far along this road he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be so heartless? Talking, 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 talk. Baby, let's just knock it off. They don't know what we've been through. They don't know about me and you. So I got something new to see. And you just gon' keep hating me. And we just gon' be enemies. I know you can't believe I could just leave it wrong. And you can't make it right. I'm gonna take off tonight into the night. Hear him talk, cold story I ever told. Somewhere far along this road he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? How could you be so heartless? y'all tripping too. It's around with me. How could it be different around the G? You grounded for me. I'm a free man, junkie. You a junkie. Getting skin, I'm getting junkie. Getting money. Want some food? Boy, you hungry. I want them honey. Honey.
It's almost time, man.
Led the charge and they couldn't take it. Kinda flagrant. Night bomb me, I'm on Collins and I'm palming paper. 740 big body driven by my lady. Swinging like down goes Frazier. I found patience and still couldn't sit around waiting. I'm saying it got kinda dangerous, abrasive, all kinda angels. Almighty arm length, I'ma spank 'em. Pause the tape. The angles I'm taking straight through. Gotta make it home, a baby that I gotta raise. Shaking off malaise and hate too. Maybe I'll have changed, maybe not. Either way too. Mason Margie replica steppers is gonna evade you when you hot. I stay cool, not up for appraisal on the block. That's what walking a plank do. Don't be shocked, I couldn't save you from your thoughts or what the fame do. From the sharks and what they fangs do, or from your heart and what that pain do. From the start, built a box I couldn't break through. You was lost. I picked apart what amazed you, it was soft. I shut it off. We really on. This the difference, 4th and inches and we going long. Shimmy when I score the ball. Hail Mary bells everywhere in the loft. Name ringing bells everywhere, nigga walk. I'm not trying to talk. Hailing up the maitre d' for the final course. Filling all the vacancies like the brightest star. Good God, good God, good God.
You tell them that we are stars? Yeah, damn, my homeboys are superstars now. Gonna get the hottest record on the streets. Slow down 3 hours, my boy.
I've been waiting for a minute for my lady, so I can't jeopardize that for one of these hoes. I've been living without limits as far as my business. I'm the only one that's in control. I've been feeling all I given for my children. I will die for those I love. God, I'm willing to make this my mission. Give up the women before I lose half of what I own. I've been thinking about my vision. Pour out my feelings, revealing the layers to my soul. My soul, the layers to my soul. Revealing the layers to my soul. Wish I would go ahead and fuck my life up. Can't let them get to me. And even though I always fuck my life up, only I can mention
me.
See, before I let you go, one last thing I need to let you know. You ain't ever seen nothing crazy then. This nigga when he off his Lexapro. Remember that last time in Mexico? Remember that last time the episode? Asking me why the hell I text a code 4 times just to say don't text me, ho. Told you 4 times don't text me, ho. And we finna lose all self-control. But you ain't finna be raising your voice at me. Especially when we in the Giuseppe store. But I'ma have the last laugh in the end. Cause I'm from a chalk, I'll check a hoe. Yeah, I'ma have the laugh in the end. Cause I'm from a chalk, I'll check a hoe. And I
wish I would go ahead and fuck my life up. Can't let them get to me. And even though I always fuck my life up, only I can mention me. Wish I would go ahead and fuck my life up. Can't let them get to me. And even though I always fuck my life up, only I can mention me.
you know the deal. Man, it's big flat, you know the deal. Drink on